All right, this video is to provide you a little assistance on step 3 of this assignment. So it says many of you probably don't have a protractor, a tool used to accurately measure angles at home. Some of you might, others of you might not. If you have a protractor, or in my case I have a speed square, you can measure corresponding angles to determine if they are the same. If you don't have a protractor, you can do your best to eyeball the corresponding angles to determine if they are the same measure. After making your calculations, fill in the blank with either the same or different. Check out this help video if needed. That's what I'm filming right now. Okay? So, I need to determine if the angles, the corresponding angles in my small square and large square are the same. So I'm going to use a speed square to do that. Okay, so I'm going to take this top left angle, just put the speed square on it. And the nice thing I know about the speed square, and I'm using a pretty simple shape, a square, but I can pretty clearly see that that's a 90-degree angle. Okay, remember, if shapes are similar figures, that the corresponding angles need to have the same measure. So, okay, 90 we got there in the top left, and do the same thing, this MDF board. Take speed square, line it up. Again, once again, we have a 90-degree angle in the top left corner. Now, I'd repeat this process as I go around and, do the top right angle, bottom right, bottom left, and see if you get the same measurements on each of the corresponding angles of the figures you identified. So that was just one example of how to do it. Now, you may not have a speed square, a protractor, whatever, so just eyeball the angle. Remember, the angle is formed by two sides coming together, so there's all different measures, and eyeball it and see if it looks like the same measure. Okay, then you would just fill in. For me, I would fill in the same. You're filling in the same or different right there.